Radiator Springs Racers is an attraction located in Disneyland California Adventure in the Cars Land area. The ride has a 40-inch height requirement and consists of drops, accelerations, sharp turns, and loud noises. We were chosen to be the first standby guests on the ride. The queue is quite long, but has a lot of interesting things to see along the way. The cast members get the first rides of the day. The line sure fills in fast. The ride itself is very similar to Test Track in Epcot. You are driving along the same route as Lightning McQueen and Sally did in the movie Cars. Different times of day drastically change how the rock formations appear.
Slow down! You're not racing yet. Just follow me into town to get ready. Later! Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! It's gonna be great! It's gonna be great! This is on this planet. Hippie!
You will randomly go to Luigi's or Ramon's for a makeover before the big race. There we are.
Now you look like a real race car. Green up to the starting line. Okay. It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief. I'll tell you what's a bitchin' hard. Getting into the groove. So pay attention.
Get ready to race.
Make this the most glorious. Show me what you got, kid. Hold tight around the turn. Hold him on. Nice going, hotshot. I'm proud of you, kid.
Great race, everybody. You know, I've raced all over the world.
Now listen, when your vehicle stops, please exit to your left. Remember, take all your personal belongings, and as long as you're in my town, stay out of trouble.
exit route. By the time we got off the ride, the line was extremely long.